Need to turn text into realistic speech. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, presentations, audiobooks, or social media content, ElevenLabs makes it easy to convert written text into natural-sounding voiceovers. In this guide, I'll show you how to convert text to voice using ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open ElevenLabs and sign in to your account. If you're a new user, create an account and complete the setup process before continuing. Once you're inside the platform, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll enter the text that you want to convert into audio. Next, type your text directly into the editor or paste an existing script. For the best results, use proper punctuation and clear sentence structure. This helps the AI produce more natural speech. Choose a voice from the available voice library. You can browse different accents, speaking styles, and tones until you find one that fits your project. If needed, adjust settings such as stability, style, similarity, or speed. Small changes can improve how realistic and expressive the final voice sounds. After everything is ready, click the Generate button. ElevenLabs will process your text and convert it into a spoken audio file. Listen to the generated voice carefully. If needed, edit the text or settings and generate again. Once you're satisfied with the result, download the audio file to your device, and that's how to convert text to voice using ElevenLabs. With realistic AI voices and easy-to-use controls, you can create professional quality narration in just a few minutes. So experiment with different voices and settings to get the perfect sound for your content. Thanks for watching.